Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your profile picture in Candy Crush Saga application. To change your profile picture in Candy Crush Saga, open up your Candy Crush Saga application on your device, and once you end up in this section, tap on Retrieve My Progress. In order to change your profile picture in Candy Crush Saga, make sure that you have logged in with your King account. So in order to log in with your King account, go to the Login with Email option at the bottom. Now enter your King account's credential, that is your email and password, in the respective text boxes and tap on Login in green. After you do that, you will then be able to log into your account. You will see your profile picture in this page after you are logged in. Simply tap on the little camera icon if available within your profile picture, and this will directly take you to the Change Your Avatar Image section. Tap on Change Image, and you have an option to select your photo library or take a picture from your device's camera. To take a picture from your device's camera, tap on Take Photo. Take a picture for yourself, and you will then be able to apply it as your profile picture or avatar image. To select an existing picture from your camera roll, tap on Photo Library. From your camera roll, choose the picture you'd like to use as your profile avatar or image and tap on Done at the top right once you are confirmed that you'd like to use this image. Soon after you do that, you will see this page where you can adjust your image, drag it in the correct area that you want it to appear, and then tap on Save Image. Wait for a couple of minutes and then the application will update your profile picture. So that was how you can change your profile picture in Candy Crush Saga if you are connected via King account. If you are using Facebook account to log in, then the profile picture in Candy Crush Saga will automatically sync in with your Facebook profile picture. So that is how it's easily done. In this episode, we will be learning how to contact Candy Crush Saga's customer support. To contact Candy Crush Saga customer support, first of all, you'll need to open up Candy Crush Saga app on your device. Once you open the app, go ahead and tap on the gear button available at the bottom left or at the top right. This will bring up the settings menu where you'll need to tap on the little question mark icon. It'll then take you to your help center page. Browse through the FAQs or use the search box at the top to type in the category that you need help with. You can then find the related help topics from which you can expand the options and browse through the FAQs of the app. If you want to directly contact the customer support team, scroll all the way down and tap on the Contact Us button. You can then fill out the support form with details about your issue and then tap on Submit. Another way you can contact the customer support team is to directly emailing King's support team. Open up any email application and tap on the Compose button. Inside the to tab, type in support@king.com. Right after you type in the email, go to the subject field and type in the subject for the region that you are reaching out to the support team. In the Compose email tab, type down your email. Make sure to describe your issue in details. You can also include your player ID that is found in the settings within the Candy Crush Saga app. Right after you compose the email with the support that you need from the support team, you can then send a message by tapping on the send button or the arrow at the top right. Those were some of the ways you can reach out to Candy Crush Saga support team. In this video, we are going to be learning how to fix Candy Crush Saga application if it keeps crashing on your mobile device. If the Candy Crush Saga keeps crashing on your mobile device, it could be due to several reasons. The first reason might be because you are using the outdated version of the Candy Crush Saga app. Simply go ahead and open your Google Play Store or your App Store, and then tap on the search icon at the bottom right. In the search box at the top, type in Candy Crush Saga. Open up this Candy Crush Saga info section and then look if there is an update button available. If yes, tap on Update to download the latest version of Candy Crush Saga application. Once you have the updated version, you can open up the app and see if that fixes the issue. If the problem still continues, the next thing you would want to do is to free up storage space on your mobile device. Sometimes the application might crash because of insufficient device storage or RAM. Go ahead and delete any kind of an application you no longer use on your device. Press and hold the app And then click on the remove or delete app button to delete any kind of an application you no longer use on your device. Once you do that, you will be able to clear up storage space on your device, which may also help you fix your application crashing issue. Also make sure to check if your operating system is up to date. Go ahead and open the System Settings app on your mobile device, and then within the Settings menu, look for Software Update button. If you are on iOS, you'll need to tap on General and then click on Software Update. Your phone will start checking for new updates if it is available. Tap on the Update Now button to update the app immediately. If you want to schedule the update, tap on the Update Tonight button or tap on the Schedule Update button and schedule your update time. Once you update to the latest version of your device's operating system, this will be able to help you fix your crashing issue on your Candy Crush Saga app. These are some of the fixes you could try out if your Candy Crush Saga application keeps crashing on your mobile device. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to get gold bars in Candy Crush Saga. Gold bars in Candy Crush Saga are a premium currency that you can use to buy extra moves, lives, boosters, or unlock new levels. The main way to get gold bars in the game is to simply open Candy Crush Saga app and make sure to log in first. At the top of the screen, you should be able to see a gold bar icon. Tap on the gold bars for the best deals that you want and purchase the gold bar with real money using in-app purchases. Make sure to go ahead and enter your payment information if you haven't already and directly purchase the gold bars within the application. Another way to get gold bars is to simply complete episodes by competing with other players, finishing in the top 3 to earn free gold bars as a reward. Apart from that, you can also participate in events and challenges when available. Join the teams and request help. If you are a part of Candy Crush team, some team rewards may include gold bars. Make sure to actively participate in team challenges to increase your chances of earning them. Sometimes, the game's developer offers free gold bars through promotional campaigns. Make sure to check their official website or social media pages for updates. Those were some of the ways you can get gold bars in Candy Crush Saga. In this video, I'm going to show you how to invite friends on Candy Crush Saga. To invite friends to join you in Candy Crush Saga, first of all, open the Candy Crush Saga application on your device and log into your account. You can log in with either your Facebook account or your King account. After you're logged in, go ahead and get to this map section and tap on Friends button at the bottom. Now within the Friends tab, you will be able to see the Invite button. Simply tap on it and you will be able to see this pop-up menu. Go ahead and select one of the contacts from the pop-up, or you can also choose any social messaging applications such as Messenger, WhatsApp, email or SMS, or any other social apps. Simply select one of the platform and choose a contact. Tap on their name within the list and then tap on the send button at the top right. Soon after you do that, you will be able to invite your friends to Candy Crush Saga. Once your friends join in with your link, they'll appear in your game's friend list. You can send and receive lives, boosters, and track their progresses on leaderboards. So that's how you easily invite someone on Candy Crush Saga. In this video, we will be learning how you can redeem a code in Candy Crush Saga. To redeem a code in Candy Crush Saga, you'll first need to go ahead and open a web browser on your device. Once you do that, type in store.king.com in the URL box and search. You will then end up in this official website for King Store. Now scroll all the way down and you will end up in the login screen. To log in and redeem your account, enter the email address and password associated with your King account in the following text boxes. You can also log in with the help of your Facebook account by tapping on Continue with Facebook and entering your Facebook account's credentials. So go ahead and select one of the login options and enter your credentials. I'm just gonna type in my King account's email and password. After you do that, click on the login button in green at the bottom and you will then end up in this redeem your gift card page. Simply enter your gift card number in the first tab and then enter your PIN on the next. After you do that, tap on Validate the Gift Card button. After you select Validate the Gift Card button, you will then be able to redeem your gift code. If your code hasn't expired or if your redemption code is available, you will then be able to redeem your code. So that is how you can easily redeem your Candy Crush Saga gift code. In this video, we will be learning how to remove friends from Candy Crush Saga. To remove friends from Candy Crush Saga or to delete a friend from Candy Crush Saga, first of all, open the Candy Crush Saga application on your device. Make sure that you are logged into your account, whether it is via Facebook, Apple ID, or with your King account. After you are logged into your account, go ahead and tap on your profile picture at the top of the screen. Now, from the profile section, click on Friends. You will then be able to see the list of friends that you've added on Candy Crush Saga. To delete or remove a friend, tap on their profile picture or their name and then click on Unfriend at the bottom of the screen. Confirm that you'd like to remove or unfriend the person. Tap on Yes if you'd like to unfriend the person. And then you will then be able to delete a friend in Candy Crush Saga. So that is how you will be able to delete or remove a friend from your Candy Crush Saga friends list. In this video, I'm going to show you how to send lives to your friends in Candy Crush Saga. If you're looking for a way to send lives to your friends in Candy Crush Saga, then follow along till the end of the video. First of all, open your Candy Crush Saga application on your device and make sure that you're logged in either with your King account or your Facebook account. Once you're logged into the main home page, tap on the little envelope icon at the top left corner. Here, you will be able to see all of your requests, from friend request to live requests. If you receive a live request from one of your friends, you can then go ahead and tap on the friend's profile like that. Just select the little square box in front of the person's contact and tap on accept. Soon after you do that, you will be able to send the lives to the contact if you've got any extra. That's how you will be able to give a live to your friend or send lives to your friends in Candy Crush Saga. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can stop receiving emails from Candy Crush Saga. If you want to stop receiving emails from Candy Crush Saga, first of all, open the Candy Crush Saga application on your device and log in. After you are logged into the game, go ahead and tap on the gear button, which should be located at the top right or at the lower left. This will open up the settings menu where you need to tap on My Account. Now, under My Account, click on Privacy and Security. If you have previously enabled emails from King, simply toggle off the button right next to Get Emails from King option. Right after you do that, you will then be able to stop receiving emails from the platform. So that is how it's super easily done. In this video, we are going to be learning how to turn on and off hints in Candy Crush Saga. To turn the hints on or off in Candy Crush Saga, first of all, open your Candy Crush Saga application on your mobile device. Make sure that you're logged into your account as well, and once you're signed in, go ahead and tap on the pink gear icon on the main screen, which should be located at the bottom left. This will bring up the settings menu where you'll need to tap on Accessibility. Inside Accessibility, look for Hints option. If the hint option is turned gray, it means that you have turned off hints in your game. If you want to turn on hints, simply toggle the button right next to hints and make sure that it is represented by a green tick. Once you turn on the hints option, you will be shown possible moves when you are stuck in the game. If you want to turn off hints, you can simply toggle the button off right next to hints and that should do the trick. That's how you easily turn on and off hints within your Candy Crush Saga game. In this video, we will be learning how to turn on and off sound effects in the Candy Crush Saga application. To turn the sound effect on or off in Candy Crush Saga, first of all, open your Candy Crush Saga application on your device. Make sure that you're logged into your account and once logged in, tap on the gear button at the top right corner. This will open up the settings menu where you'll need to give a tap on the music note icon and the speaker icon. Soon after you do that, you will be able to mute the sound effect within your Candy Crush Saga game. If you want to turn it on again, tap on the same two music note and speaker icon and you will be able to adjust your music and game sound. So that is how you can easily turn on and off music within your Candy Crush Saga So that is how you will be able to turn on and off sound effects within your Candy Crush Saga application. In this video, I'm going to show you how to update Candy Crush Saga application on your mobile device. To update the Candy Crush Saga app, first of all, make sure that your device that you're connected with has a stable internet connection. Once you have it, go ahead and launch open your Google Play Store or your App Store. If you are on Android, you'll need to open up your Google Play Store, whereas if you are on an iOS device, you'll need to open up your App Store and then find the search box where you can type in Candy Crush Saga. In the search result, look for the Candy Crush Saga application and tap on it. Now, you will be able to see the app info section. Tap on the update button if available. If you see the update button, simply tap on it to download the latest version of app available. But if you see open instead, the app is already up to date. Wait for the update to download and install, and you will then be able to download the latest version of Candy Crush Saga on your device. Updating the Candy Crush Saga app ensures you have access to the latest feature, bug fixes, and events. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log out of Candy Crush Saga application on your mobile device. To log out or sign out of Candy Crush Saga is super easy, so follow along till the end of the video. First of all, launch open your Candy Crush Saga application on your device. Once you launch it open, from the first interface that you see, tap on the gear button at the bottom left. In the pop-up, click on My Account. After you click on My Account, you will then be able to see this interface. But the interface might change depending on the way you logged in. If you previously logged in with your Facebook account, you may be able to see the disconnect from Facebook button to log out. But if you happen to log in with your King account, you'll see the log out button. Simply tap on log out whenever you see it, and then click on the log out button once again in red. Soon after you do that, you will then be able to confirm your login out process. You will be returned to the main login screen, and your progress will not be lost if you've been syncing your game with Facebook or a King account. However, login out will disable syncing until you log back into the platform again. So that is how you easily log out of your Candy Crush Saga application. In this video, we will be learning how to exit Candy Crush Saga. If you are playing the Candy Crush Saga game, and if you want to suddenly quit or exit the game, then all you need to do is to tap on the little pink gear button while you are on your gameplay section at the bottom left corner. You will then come across this pop-up menu where you should see the quit level button. To quit the level, click on quit level in pink. Once you do that, you will be able to see that you have two different options. If you quit the level right now and tap on quit level, you will lose a heart or life. If you keep playing and succeed, you will not lose any lives in the current game. If you want to force quit the level, simply tap on quit level and you will be able to quit one of the level that you are playing in Candy Crush Saga. That is how you can easily exit an ongoing level in Candy Crush Saga. In this video, we are going to be learning how to delete Candy Crush Saga account. If you want to delete your Candy Crush Saga account, then you can follow these steps till the end of the video. First of all, launch open the Candy Crush Saga app on your device and log into your account. After signing in to the home page, tap on the gear button at the bottom left or at the top right, and then within the settings menu, tap on the little human icon with a small cross in it. Now this will show you how you can delete your player account. Scroll through the information and find out how you can delete your account for mobile users or for desktop users, and follow through these prompts. If you scroll all the way down, you will be able to see this delete my account button. You can also simply tap on that and then type in your email address. Make sure that the email that is shown on the top of the screen is correct. If not, make sure you type in the correct one and then type in your full name as well on the next field. Finally, click on delete my account button at the bottom and follow through the instructions. Remember that after tapping on delete my account, you will be able to permanently delete your King account, including your profile picture, progress in any games, purchases, and your personal information. Simply follow through the deletion prompt and you will then be able to get rid of your Candy Crush Saga account in just a couple of steps. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that You'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.